Kanji number 51. In case of highly or costly, the kanji like that. Here is a stroke. So the stroke is that. So here again, roughly, that's the big one and that's part, and here is the smaller one. That means here and here compare with, this is the bigger one and this is the smaller one. So sound like that, ko and taka, ko and taka. So here we will know the some applications, actually the word and meaning. So here psycho, that means the highest or the best. Psycho. So kanji like that here, and here is a long, and here it's a knee, and here. So and takai, here there is a sound is ko. So the highest and best, psycho, the highest or best. So here kokosei, a high school student, a high school student, kokosei. So here ko, koko, sei, kokosei, high school student, kokosei. So here is takai biru, a tall building. Takai biru, the kanji is that here. Here is a hiragana e, so takai e. So biru, here is a katakana b, and here is a ru. So this is the katakana and here is hiragana and this is kanji. So takai biru, a tall building.